Hey guys, welcome back to the Auto Chapter. Today we're taking a look at the stunning 2026 Mercedes-AMG GT 63S. And this beast is everything you expect from AMG. Raw power, aggressive styling, and luxury that's second to none. Let's dive into what makes this super sedan so special. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 GT 63S gets a refreshed look with sharper lines and enhanced aerodynamics. The Panamericana grille is bolder than ever, flanked by sleek digital light. Headlamps. It sits low, wide, and menacing, with massive air intakes, a sculpted hood, and a new rear diffuser that boosts both style and performance. The 21-inch forged AMG wheels complete the aggressive stance, and of course you get the signature quad exhausts that let everyone know this isn't just another luxury car. Inside, the GT63S is every bit as luxurious as it is fast. You're welcomed by AMG performance seats wrapped in Nappa leather, with contrast stitching and customizable ambient lighting across the cabin. The dual 12.3-inch screens, one for the digital cluster and the other for MBX infotainment, offer crisp graphics and seamless usability. It's got wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a Burmester 3D surround sound system, and even active ambient lighting that changes with your drive mode. Rear seat space is generous for a four-door coupe, and the new model adds improved climate control and seat ventilation for passengers in the back. Under the hood, it's packing a handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 pushing out 630 horsepower and 664 lb-ft of torque, paired to a 9-speed AMG speed-shift transmission and fully variable 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive. 0 to 60, just about 3.1 seconds. It's a rocket with a velvet glove. AMG Ride. Control plus air suspension keeps things planted whether you're on a twisty back road or cruising on the highway. And the active rear axle steering adds serious agility for a car of this size. As for pricing, the 2026 GT63S starts around $178,000, but with options like carbon ceramic brakes, the AMG Aerodynamics package, and exclusive interior trims, you can easily push it well beyond $200K. But for that price, you're getting one of the most complete high-performance sedans on the planet. That wraps up our review of the 2026 Mercedes-AMG GT 63S. Let me know in the comments, would you take this over a Porsche Panamera Turbo E-Hybrid or maybe an Audi RS7? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next review. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.